May ganyan ako nabasa, tapos na-teary-eyed nga ako. May picture ng mommy, tapos baby. Tapos ang sabi dun sa picture, I hope one day when you grow up, you will remember that I was your best friend. Kami nagsasabi actually sa akin na ganyan na enjoy your kid na ngayon, sobrang lapit sa'yo, ginugulo ka pag nag-work ka. Yung pag gusto kumandong sa'yo, tapos may ginagawa ka, bitawan mo lahat. Because tomorrow, pag gising mo, magugulat ka. They have a life of their own.
Having no regrets is all that she really wants. We're only getting older, baby, and I've been thinking about it lately.